Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the Creality Halot-One Plus. Is this SLA printer the game changer you've been waiting for? Stick around as we break down the details. Greetings, fellow tech explorers! Today, we're unpacking the Creality Halot-One Plus, a compact and powerful SLA printer. Its design follows the contemporary printer look, with a sleek housing containing controls, a touchscreen, and a vibrant blue top cover that sets it apart. Front and center, we find a generously sized touchscreen control panel, simplifying navigation through the user-friendly menu system. The operating system is both responsive and slick, enhancing the overall experience. And here's a thoughtful touch. The USB port is conveniently located on the front of the printer, eliminating the hassle of reaching around the sides. It might seem minor, but it's these design choices that truly make a difference. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi, using a memory stick isn't even necessary. You can also explore the companion app, which offers direct slicing and model previews on your phone and the Halot screen. Under the hood, the resin tank is securely held by threaded thumb wheels, providing easy access and minimizing setup time. A built-in fan power air filter helps to reduce resin odors, making your workspace more pleasant. Equipped with dual Z-axis rails and a 4K screen, the Halot boasts exceptional print quality. The absence of visible layer lines and impressive detail levels are noteworthy. With a build volume of 172 by 102 by 160 mm, the Halot excels in printing miniatures and jewelry, delivering fine detail that's perfect for intricate projects. The Halot's layer depth of 0.01 to 0.2 mm, combined with its 7.9-inch diagonal, contributes to its outstanding print results. Whether you're printing miniature busts, wargame figures, or other detailed pieces, the Halot consistently produces a finish and level of detail that's simply remarkable. While the results may vary depending on the resin used, Creality's water-washable resin offers good results and easier cleanup. For top-tier results suitable for casting and premium surface quality, using craftsman-grade resin is the way to go. A standout feature is Creality's flexibility when it comes to slicing software. The Halot supports various slicers, including popular options like Litchi, Chitubox, and their own Halot Box software, ensuring you have options that fit your workflow. Now, let's talk price. The Creality Halot-One Plus retails for $399 per £449, but be on the lookout for deals on Creality's website, as occasional discount events could save you a significant chunk of that amount. In conclusion, the Creality Halot-One Plus is a fantastic choice, especially if you're not in need of larger print models. Its compact size, user-friendly design, and exceptional print quality make it a standout in the world of SLA printers. That wraps up our deep dive into the Creality Halot-One Plus. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more comprehensive tech reviews. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, finding the right 3D printer can transform your creative endeavors. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating.